Okay, turn it on.
A lot of folks look at Indianapolis on a map and say that is just a lame cornfield full of boring white people. I look at it as a blue-collar city filled with decent history, a little bit of architecture, and hard-working chaps. There are some pockets and things about the city that are quite bland, however, and Murphy's does fall into that category. Whenever you see an Irish pub sitting on the corner of a strip mall, then your expectations immediately turn into, well, this can't possibly be very authentic. Murphy's does sit on a corner of a strip mall, and it surely isn't very authentic. It's a good gathering hole for the after-work crowd, so the time to come is in the early evening. They pour a rather lousy pint of Guinness that will come with a fruit fly or two, but the whiskey selection is surprisingly above par. The prices all around are typical, although for the area and overall return on your money, the Guinness could probably be placed $1 cheaper. But hey, opinions are like buttholes, and that's just mine. They offer live music and the Big Murph Challenge, which gives you the opportunity to purchase a 1-pound cheeseburger, and if you finish the entire burger, then guess what? You win bragging rights. The interior of the place is very plain Jane. You'll find more drywall than decor, and the decor that you will find appear to be from Hobby Lobby. To each their own, but sometimes when you go into a pub and you see money spent on useless stuff, you think, why did the owner do that when they could have used that money to better up their other problems? For instance, behind the bar you'll see a big lit up Murphy's sign. That sign probably cost at least $500, and in return you have a very commercial looking sign that you'd find outside of an Applebee's. Instead, the owner could have paid a retired lady down the street $50 to paint or craft a fun looking sign that would not only have a little bit more charm than the $500 sign, but also come with a fun little story attached to it. The owner could have then used that $450 in savings to purchase some actual authentic signage for the walls, or quite literally on anything else. But hey, that's just my butthole again. The furniture in here is also very generic. It's the type of furniture that you'll see in every basic restaurant that doesn't care about providing any charm or uniqueness to its guests. The owners and the staff appear to be hardworking and lovely people, so it's too bad to leave a few harsh statements, but sometimes the truth hurts. It's just a boring restaurant with TVs that offer all of the basics for people to congregate before heading home for the night. There's nothing wrong with running a business like that, so don't get things twisted. However, if you do enter your establishment into the Irish pub scene, then you can't get mad at someone for comparing you to every other Irish pub in the world. With that being said, it would be insulting to a place such as the Dead Rabbit in New York City to even put them in the same sentence as Murphy's in Indiana. We wish you all the best of luck, Big Murph, but we're off to a better bar stool. Slotchy!
It's a piece of crap. It doesn't work.